Good evening everybody. This is Harpreet as a maths teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and started the previous one work as we have started the 9th chapter. Today we will do some question related to the same chapter as some application of the trigonometry. I have written one question here on the board. Let us read and then convert into the diagram, and then from that diagram we will solve the question. So here is a question that the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. It means there is a one tower and one building. We don't know which one is bigger, so here I am taking one is a tower and other side this is a building. Okay, so let it name as here is a AB and CD, and base distance which is stand on the 90 degree on the ground. So here they are saying from the foot of the tower, from the foot of the tower on the top of the building, this angle is given 30 degree. Okay, so then they are saying the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, this one, then it is given here as a 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Now we have to find out if the tower is 50 meter high. So this implies here we have given 50 meter the tower height, this one. Okay, so they are saying find out the height of the building. So this implies this height CD value we want to find out, as here for the H we are supposing. So this implies, now let us see how to solve this question. So to solve this one question, here if we consider the triangle CDB, we have at least two known values. But if we will see into only this one triangle, here we have only the 30 degree angle. Neither any side we have given, right? So we are taking let the distance between the tower and building is x meter. Okay, into the meter, and this one is also meter, as this one units are given into the meter. So we are supposing this one. Firstly, we will find out the distance between the tower and building by using this one. At least two measurements are given here, as 50 meter for the tower length and 60 degree as an angle, right? So we will try to solve this one as a x. Then we will use it to find out the h value also. So firstly, in triangle ABD, this tower height which is given and which we have to find out upon BD. If we will consider this one angle only, ABD triangle and angle 60 degree it is given. Opposite side it is perpendicular and adjacent side we are taking, that is the base. So we are taking the ratio of perpendicular upon base, which is equal to tan, trigonometry ratio for the tan. For what angle? 60 degree. So we can write here AB value it is 50 upon x is equal to, its value is root 3. So we can write here x is equal to 50 upon root 3 into the meter. Right? Now this value we will use to find out the h value also. So let us consider here in the triangle CDB, which is, as here is CD as a h which we have to find out, upon which we know already, that is BD. For the angle as 30 degree, opposite side that is perpendicular and adjacent side that is base. So again we are taking perpendicular upon base ratio, which is equal to tan for what angle? That is 30 degree. Okay, so here will be the side CD we are taking as h variable, and here is x is equal to tan 30 1 upon root 3. So we will see h is equal to x multiplied by 1 upon root 3. X value already we find out, so h is equal to 50 upon root 3 multiplied by 1 upon root 3, which is h is equal to 50 upon root 3 only 3. So we can write here h value into the mixed fraction 16 2 by 3 into the meter. So we find out the height of the building, which is equal to 16 2 by 3 meter. Okay, fine everyone. So let us do another one more question related to the same topic here. Okay bete, now let us see the another one. As observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level, a sea level is there. So let us, there is a sea level and there is from a height of the 75 meters. So let this one AB, that is 75 meter high, a lighthouse is considered, this one, the angle of depression of the two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So this one sea level I am taking with the horizontal line. Okay. So there is an angle of the depression it is given. So from obviously this one is a line of the sight as this one. So angle, suppose here is a one and another two ships are placed. So this is C and D. So one is on the 30 degree angle and other is on the 45 degree as the depression. And line of sight is parallel to this one sea level. So this implies these are the alternate angle. So we will write here this is the 30 degree and this one alternate equal to the 45 degree. Okay. Next one, if one ship is exactly behind the one another on the same side of the lighthouse. On the same side of the lighthouse we are taking the two ships as on the C point and D point on the same side and one is exactly behind of the other. Then they are saying find out the distance between the two ships. Distance between two ships, this means CD length we have to find out. Suppose this is the X meter. Okay. And this one is BD. It is Y. So lighthouse is on the 90 degree. So we want to find out the X value only to solve this one CD. We will use the Y also. Okay. So in this one triangle ABD, in triangle ABD we have AB height which is given and upon BD this one. So angle opposite this one is perpendicular and adjacent side this is base. So it is the ratio of the tan 45 degree. Okay. So this one AB it is already given 75 into meter and here is BD. We are supposing it is Y. So tan value is 45 at the one as it is 1. So here we approach Y is equal to 75 meter. Okay. So now we will write here in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC where AB upon total BC which is equal to again perpendicular upon base. So we will take the ratio as for the tan at the angle 30 degree. AB it is given already 75 and BC we are taking as BD plus CD which is equal to X plus Y which is as 1 upon root 3. If we will do the cross multiply 75 root 3 is equal to X plus Y. Okay. So we approach here the equation X plus Y is equal to 75 root 3. Y value already we know. So X is equal to 75 root 3. Y is gone on that side with the minus. So we will write here X is equal to 75 will be common. Root 3 minus 1 here into the meter. So this is the exact distance between the two ships which is equal to X as 75 into root 3 minus 1 into the meter. Okay. So let us do another question now. Okay, now another one question. Here is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points at the distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base on the tower of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. This thing is given. Suppose here is a tower. Let it is AP tower and on a same straight line let there are the 2 points C, such that CD. They are saying there is an angle of elevation to the top of the tower. Both these elevations are, they are saying these are the complementary to each other. So if we are supposing one angle is theta, another angle is obviously 90 minus theta. So that is the complementary angle of the angle theta. These things are we have given. So here tower is on the 90 degree. Then on the last they are saying that prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. This height we have to find out and this we want to prove which is equal to 6 meter. But in this one they are saying these 2 points are at the distance 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. So this implies BD length we have given 4 meter, this much, and another point from the base, this is given 9 meter. This one. Okay, we can say this one is also as a 5 meter. Okay, so we have to find out the h value, or we can say here we have to prove that h is equal to 6 meter. So how we can use? if we will take out now one triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, then AB height upon base, this one as BD, is equal to, that is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. So here will be the h upon BD, already it is given 4, so tan 90 minus theta, what is equal to, that is equal to cot theta, right? It is the complementary angle and convert into tan is convert into the cot theta. So it makes as a first equation. Or here another side, if we will see into the triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, height AB upon base BC is equal to, that is equal to again tan of theta, so which is equal to h upon 9 is equal to tan theta. Or we can say, if we will reciprocal on the both sides, 9 upon h is equal to cot theta. Why we are writing here the theta value? If we will consider these two equations, then it is equal to cot theta, and this one is equal to also cot theta, right? So they are saying prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. We don't need the theta value, unknown value as a theta. We don't need it. If we will equate these two equations by cot theta is equal to this, cot theta is equal to this, then it makes as by 1 and 2, then h upon 4 is equal to 9 upon h. Then theta will be eliminated, which is not needed in this one to prove this one equation. So we are eliminated here as a cot theta, this one. Okay. So by cross multiply, h is equal to 9 into 4. So we can say h is equal to square root of 36 plus minus. So h is equal to plus minus 6. So here is the h value we are getting plus minus 6. So it is the height of the tower which is equal to always positive. So we will consider h is equal to only the positive value, h is equal to 6 meter, which we have to prove. So hence it is proved. Okay students, by this you can try the another one questions related to the same topic. If you have any query, then you can ask me into the Zoom session. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.